Open, open. Open wide. There you go. Wow, he's such a good boy. Open, open, open. Close, close your mouth. Close your mouth. Okay.
Yeah, we have that book already done.
Huh?
We have that book already.
Okay. Open.
Okay. Dito na. Ito, nakita mo may butas.
Oh, yeah.
Tsaka ito. Nakita mo yung itim sa...
Yeah. Oh, sa baba.
Pag x-ray ko, tingnan ko kung meron sa English.
Okay.
She'll take pictures of your teeth.
Okay, get up.
Okay, just sit here.
Oh, just sit here. Don't move. Don't move.
Take this out. And then cleaning your teeth. Just stay there.
Don't move. Hey, hey, sit down. Sit down.
Take pictures of your teeth.
Sit down. Ngingiti na eh. Picture kasi.
I like your shoes.
Don't move. Hey, you might fall. Don't move. Okay, stay here. Stay here. Stay here. Don't move. She's gonna take pictures of your teeth. Okay? Sit back, James. Don't move. Sit straight, James. There you go. Oh, listen, James. Open. Open. Bite.
Maliit lang yan dyan.
James, open. You gotta take picture. You have to open. 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 Okay, bite. It's too big.
Sorry. Okay, next time when you grow older, okay?
Okay.
You're bigger.
Alright, that's it. You're done.
You're done. You're very good.
Okay, good job. Say thank you.
Thank you.
See you soon. You want to gargle and spit?
Yeah.
Okay, here. This is mine. Spit. Another one. Good job.
Yeah.
Well, look.
Yeah.
You leave it in water, it will grow.
Oh, when you take a bath later.
Lion.
Say thank you, doctor.
Bye, doctor.
Okay, bye. See you next time.
Okay.
To fix the holes in
Come
your
here.
teeth.
What is this toy?
Come on. Come here.
This toy.
Hey, si Margo, papa-appointment. Kahit Tuesday to Friday after 5. Wag lang Monday.